Should old acquaintance be forgot?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, if you just saw my intro, I do all kinds of videos on beauty, fashion hauls, try-on videos, product reviews, how-to videos, vlogs, all kinds of things, lifestyle, home, how-tos. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future videos. I have my Trunk Club unboxing. Woohoo! I'm so excited. I love Trunk Club. Stitch Fix and Trunk Club are my favorite two subscription services that I have right now, and I'm loving them. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what subscription service you guys like the best. And also don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. So let's just get started. I'm going to start out with two kind of the simpler items that I got, which are a couple of belts. The first one is from Rebecca Minkoff. It's the Amy Whipstitch suede belt in small, and this one is $78. While I like the color and I like the whip stitching here, I do not like the actual buckle, and I don't like the tip on the other end. This is kind of like a gold and black brass type of buckle, and it's just a little too Western for me. But it is a beautiful suede, and I think it's made really, really well. I love Rebecca Minkoff items. Belt is probably not for me, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to always check the description box. I'm going to have my referral link for Trunk Club where you can find out a whole lot more about it. If you are new to Trunk Club and you want to know more, you can just hit the link and find out all about it. Also, I'm going to link all the items that I got down below. If I, for some reason, can't find something, then I will link something similar, and a lot of times I can even find it at a better cost. So don't forget to hit the description box for lots more info. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, I always will leave at the end of the video what I decided to keep and how much I paid for each item. So the second item I'm leaning towards keeping, and I really, really like it. I've actually been kind of on the hunt for a reversible belt. It's called a reversible leather belt from Tory Burch in a size small, and the color is black and then cardamom on the other side, and the price is $178. I think this would be a great belt. It serves two purposes, and I think it's going to last a really long time. The buckle is gold, so I think that's really, really pretty. I really wanted a like brown belt with a gold buckle, so I think that's really cute. All you have to do is unwind this, and then that will pop out and you can switch it about. So it's really simple. I think it's really, really pretty, and like I said, I am leaning towards keeping this. I know it's a little bit on the higher end, but I kind of like to splurge a little bit more like on accessories, bags, shoes, belts, you know, that sort of thing, versus just clothing. I don't really splurge a ton on clothing, so I think that if you have really, you know, a pop of really nice accessories, it really makes the outfit. And I think, you know, belts are one of those things that really, really help make the outfit really, really pretty and really, really stand out. I mean, you could put on a simple t-shirt and put on this beautiful belt, and it will just really, really make it pop. I think it's kind of cool that she sent me, you know, two belt options. Pretty much maintained my same stylist. It is Emily. She did write me a note. If you guys want to hear the stylist note, let me know down below. I think I'm going to just start omitting it, because I think most of you just fast forward through that part and you just want to get through like my review and the try on and everything. So, but she was not able to send what I really wanted, which is a pair of over the knee flat boots. She had given me the option of like a really high heel one, and I was like, do not send that because I won't wear it. So that's basically all she said in the note. But if you guys do want me to read the note, make sure you leave me a comment below and let me know. Some people like that because sometimes the stylist will give options as to the clothes and what to wear them with and things like that, and some of you guys like to hear that kind of thing, but I think most of you just like to get to the try on part. Okay, so the third item I got was this awesome sweater dress. This is by Cotton Emporium. I don't think I've gotten anything from them before, and this is what it looks like. It's called the Fold Over Off the Shoulder Sweater Dress by Cotton Emporium in burgundy in a size small. I didn't try it on over the shoulder. I just tried it on like a big cowl neck, and I love this. The price on this is $49, so the price is definitely right. It's cozy. It's not scratchy or itchy. I think it'd be really, really cute with some tall black boots. I think you could, you know, wear it with leggings. I tried it on with leggings just because that's what I had on. But I think some tights and some black boots I think would be really, really cute. cute. So let me know what you guys think. Just a super simple burgundy sweater dress. And I think it'd be perfect right now because it is a blizzard outside. Next item is a top right here. And this is from Treasure and Bond, which is a really good brand. It's just a, you know, simple like plaid top, but it has a big bell sleeve. And as you can see from me trying it on, I think it's just a little big. I think the sleeves were a little bit too long. I think it just overpowered me a little bit. And this was a good, I think I like it like size wise like this way because it still covered your butt. So I really liked it. I thought it would be a really cute top, but once I put it on, I don't think I liked the sleeves too much. The bell sleeve top by Treasure and Bond in the color ivory in a size small, and this is $69. It's just got kind of like a keyhole button opening back here. So just simple. How many of you guys are over the bell sleeve trend? I really don't have anything bell sleeve yet, so haven't quite found something that I really like. Okay, so the next thing I got, I did mention to her that I wanted to try this out. I have heard about it for years and I've seen it at Nordstrom, but I just have never taken the time to try it on because it's kind of pricey. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. It's called the Barefoot Dreams brand, and this is a Barefoot Dreams cardigan, and let me tell you guys, it is so soft, so perfect, so cozy. I would definitely say this is like my comfy, cozy trunk club box because of the sweater dress and the sweater and the other thing I'm going to show you. It is just like heaven. It's like you're putting on a cloud in softer. It's so nice. So this is what it looks like. And it's just kind of got like a rounded edge right here. It definitely does cover my butt. These do seem to run, I think, a little bit large because this is an extra small right here in my eye. Oh, I hate that. Okay, so this is an extra small / small. So I think it's, you know, they do run a little bit big because I'm just surprised. When I saw it, I was like, oh no, I don't think it's gonna fit, but it fit, I think, really well. It kind of fit perfectly in terms of the shoulder and everything. I may have liked it just a little bit bigger just because I kind of like to float around in these, but I think I'm leaning towards keeping it. Barefoot Dreams Cozy Chic Light Circle Cardigan, an extra small in the color silver. And it's $116, but you know what? It's just one of those type things. Like I say, I don't normally splurge a ton on clothes, but this type of an item I think I would have for years. I just absolutely love it. It's got pockets right here on the side. It's almost something like I would lounge around in this. I just think it's just so pretty. I don't know that I will right at first just because it's a $116 cardigan. So, you know, with having dogs and the dog hair and everything, I might not want to do that right away, but I just think it's so cozy. I love it. They also sell blankets. I think they have socks and other cardigans and ponchos and things, and I love this brand. I just haven't been able to pull the trigger, but I am leaning towards doing that just because I just think it's so lovely and it's in my hands right now, and it's so soft. You guys have got to feel this material. This is the back. It's just got a little detail right there.
Is it worth the splurge?
Okay, my next cozy item. Uggs. They came in this box, but I am wearing them because these are keepers for sure. As soon as I got them out of the box, I put them on and I was like, yep, sold. Right here, they are Ugg slippers. You guys, so comfortable. Just love them. They run true to size. I wear a size 7. And I've been wearing these all day and I love them. They've got the, you know, fur on the inside, really pretty detail here with the bow, and kind of like some like open stitching here, and you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of like silver, kind of matches my nail polish. And it says Ugg right there. Just super comfy. I like that it has tread on the bottom, even though I really wouldn't wear these outside. Obviously these are to wear in the house, but if I had to run outside because of the dogs or whatever, I could do that because they have good tread, and I just think they're super cute. So these are a keeper. No brainer on these. These are called Coda Sunshine Slipper by Ugg, size 7, and the color Seal Suede, and these are $119.95. I do have another pair of Ugg slippers that I've had for probably 3 or 4 years, and they're still like running strong, and I love them. They're like a camel color, so I thought it'd be perfect to have a pair of gray slippers as well, and I love these. So yeah, these are for sure, but stay tuned to the end. I will write in what I decided to keep. And the last item is in this box right here. These are a little strange. Here's the bottoms. Okay, so these are the Jeffrey Campbell Clima Chelsea Rain Boot in a size 7 in the color black. And these are $54.95. So the price is great, but these are really, really stiff. And I'm sure they would probably break in a little bit. They're kind of just like a rubber boot, kind of like a fancy hunter boot, if you kind of can get the feel for that sort of material. That's what these are. Just, I don't know, just a little strange, not exactly something I'm looking for right now, especially not another rain boot with this kind of a heel. I don't know, a little bit on the fence just because I think they probably would serve a purpose, just because like if it is rainy and slushy and crappy outside and you are wanting to dress up a little bit, it's a good option, but they're just so stiff. So anyway, that is the last item I got from my trunk club. Let me know what you guys thought of all the items. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you guys like these kind of videos, and leave a comment down below. And also, of course, don't forget to please subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Anxiety.